Hello friends, I am Dr. Lilith Sandanshu, Associate Professor in Geography, सुधारक विद्यार्थी संस्था दादासाहेब रावल कॉलेज दोंडाईचा डिस्ट्रिक्ट धुळे महाराष्ट्र. First of all, I am very much thankful to Principal, Convener and Organizing Secretary of Mandesh Mahavidyalaya, Union District Solapur and Padmabhushan Dr. क्रांतीवीर नागनाथ अण्णा नायकवाडी कला महाविद्यालय झरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सांगली for organizing such a wonderful online international conference and giving me an opportunity to present my research work here. The title of my research paper is Rural Settlements in Jalgaon District, a Geographical Study. Friends, we know that shelter is one of the basic human need. A place where people settle is known as settlement. Invention of agriculture led to the formation and development of permanent settlements. There are two types of permanent settlements, rural settlement and urban settlements. A settlement in which more than 75% working population is engaged in agriculture and allied activities is known as a rural settlement. On the other hand, in urban settlements, more working population is engaged in secondary and tertiary and quaternary activities. Hence, rural settlement is known as agricultural workshop. Rural settlements are classified in different ways. Geographers have considered variety of criteria for the classification of rural settlement. Some geographers have considered site of settlement as a criteria for the classification of rural settlements. But in the present investigation, total rural area, total rural population and number of rural settlements have considered as a criteria for the classification of rural settlements. In this investigation, an attempt has been made to find out the types of rural settlement and how physical, socio-economic and cultural factors affect the present type of rural settlements in Jalgaon district. Jalgaon is located in a northwestern part of Maharashtra state. It is 8th most populous district in Maharashtra. According to 2011 census, the total population of the study region is 42.229 lakh and total geographical area is 11,765 square kilometer. Jalgaon district is divided into 15 tehsils for administrative purpose. These are objectives of research paper. First objective is to identify types of rural settlements in the study region, to examine the impact of geographical and socio-economic factor on the type of rural settlements in Jalgaon district, and last objective is to study the geographical condition of Jalgaon district. This research work is entirely based on secondary source of data, the data regarding total rural population, total geographical area and number of rural settlements have been collected from the district census handbook of Jalgaon district for the year 2011. Mandel's methods of dispersal index is used. This formula has used to find out the dispersal index. Dispersal index means nothing but a ratio between average population size of settlement and average spacing of settlement. After the calculation of dispersal index, values are classified into 4 categories on the basis of mean and standard deviation method. Higher dispersal index indicates compact settlement, while Low dispersal index value indicate sprinkled or dispersed settlement. This table shows tehsil-wise average population size of settlement, average spacing size of settlement, and dispersal index. Dispersal index value varies from 532.3 in Parola tehsil to 952.4 in Ravir tehsil of Jalgaon district. This figure indicates the compact or nucleated settlements are observed in Jalgaon, Jawal, and Ravir tehsils. They are having more than 851.9 dispersal index value, while semi-compact settlements are found in Bhadgaon, Yarandul, Bhusawal, and Chopra tehsils due to the availability of fertile alluvial soils, sufficient amount of rainfall, comparatively plain region, and development of transportation. Such types of settlements are observed in these tehsils. Sprinkled settlements are found in Salisgaon, Pachora, Jamner, Bodwad, and Muktinagar tehsils. Generally, semi-sprinkled settlements are found in the areas of rugged topography and poor soils. Sprinkled or dispersed settlements are found in west central part of the study region. Generally, caste system is considered as cause of formation of sprinkled settlements. These are a conclusion of the present research work. The overall analysis of present research work indicates that tehsil lying in the vicinity of Tapi river are having compact settlements. These are Yawal, Ravir, and Jalgaon. Semi-compact settlements are found in Bhadgaon, Erandul, Bhusawal, and Chopra tehsils. These are located in central part of the study region. Semi-sprinkled settlements are found in the 5 tehsils which are lying along the southern border of the district. West central part of the study region is witness for the dispersed settlements. In nutshell, it can be concluded that socioeconomic, cultural, and geographical factors have an influence on the type of rural settlements in Jalgaon district. Their favorable nature leads to compact settlement, while adverse condition leads to sprinkled settlements. These are reference books which I have used to prepare the research paper. Thank you. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to present my research work here.